Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and I'm going to show you 5 makhana recipes today, all for babies and kids and which can be made easily at home. I would like to tell you the benefits of makhana because this is a baby food channel and there is no way that I jump into the recipe directly. You must know what you're feeding your child. Now makhanas are something, these are also called as foxnuts in English. These are very commonly used in North India and recently have picked it up worldwide because of its super benefits. Now these are rich in calcium, health strengthening bones and muscles, and best part, these are gluten free. And I must say that these are rich in carbohydrates, much required for growing child. These are rich in proteins as well. So for everybody in the family, there is something in today's video with this makhana. So altogether 5 simple recipes I'm going to show you. Let's dive right in and see them.
At first we are making instant makhana porridge. This can be given to babies above 8 months. This is a super delicious porridge and an instant mix is a savior for parents. Have a look at the ingredients required to make this. And for the method I am taking makhana. These are the fox nuts and we'll roast it on low flame until they are crisp. This may take about 15 minutes if you do it well, because sometimes during cold weather it becomes too soft and it needs that. If you can put it for sunlight for a while, it's good. Now I have roasted peanuts and cashew nuts here, and I'll then transfer it to a plate and allow all the ingredients to cool down. Here I am adding in all the ingredients to a blender jar. We'll make a fine powder. This is the Wonder Chef blender jar. Link would be in description box. You can have a check to purchase this. And if makhana is well roasted only, then you will get a fine powder. Otherwise it will be chunky sort. I mean, a lot of chunks would be left. Now store this for few months of use. On your next travel, what you can do is take this instant makhana porridge mix in a bowl, about the quantity required, and just put in piping hot water. Mix it lump free. This is an important step. Have a whisk, a very small whisk if you can carry would be great. Cover and rest it for about 5 minutes. And then tada, this instant baby food is ready to be served. You can adjust the thickness as needed. Instant makhana porridge for babies. Our next recipe is makhana suji kheer. This also can be given to babies above 8 months without sugar. Now this is the list of ingredients required to make this. In a pan I am adding in ghee, followed by makhana, foxnut or lotus seed, popped lotus seeds, these are called as. Once it is cool, we will powder it, and then in a pan I am adding rava or suji. I am adding in water. This is makhana and this is jaggery. We'll bring in all the ingredients together. I am adding ghee here, cardamom. We'll mix and cook it for about 5 minutes. And here our makhana suji kheer is ready to be served. Our next recipe is caramel and savory makhana. There are 2 variants here. These are super options for finger foods. A list of ingredients can be found here. In a pan I am adding in ghee. You can even use butter, followed by fox nuts. We will roast it well. Once done, I am adding in chili powder, chaat masala powder, turmeric powder and salt. Mix it until they are all well coated. Toss it and add more ghee or butter so that they are well coated, and then cool it down and put it in a Ziploc cover or an airtight container and store it for your next travel or next junk food demand. These are a real healthy version. So for the next one again, we can roast the same makhana in butter or ghee and keep it aside. And then in another pan I am adding butter and jaggery, and then we'll melt it down. I'm adding date syrup. The recipe for date syrup can also be found on our blog. This is roasted makhana. So caramel makhana without even using any sugar, and this tastes amazing. This sticks to each other at first. Allow it to cool down. Transfer it to a plate and cool it down, and then you can separate it with your hand like this. And again you can store it in airtight container or ziploc cover and use it whenever required. This is an amazing finger food. As it is well roasted in ghee, it melts down in their mouth. You don't have to worry about it getting stuck. Fourth recipe is makhana sevia kheer. This is again quick and healthy one. First, in a pan I am adding in makhana followed by ghee. Now we will roast it for about 3 to 5 minutes. As I said, this is an important step. You'll have to ensure that they are well roasted, and then transfer it to cool down. Meanwhile, in a pan I am adding in ghee and tossing in dry fruits, almonds and cashew nuts. Just for 2 minutes you'll have to toss it, and then you can transfer it to a bowl and keep aside. Now out of the fried fox nuts I am just taking in half of it post they are cooled down, and make a fine powder of it. We will use it to thicken up the kheer and add a great taste to it. This is how it would look once ready. Now in a pan I am adding in milk followed by jaggery. You can even use sugar, but jaggery is healthier. Bring it to a boil, and then I am adding in cardamom powder. This is kesar badam powder, which is just made of almond at home, and then makhana powder, which we just powdered now. Use a whisk or a spoon to make it lump free. And then this is roasted sevia. I am adding in here along with the fried nuts and fried makhana. If you don't have roasted sevia, you will have to just roast it in ghee for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can see this is well cooked kheer, all ready to be served. This is the tastiest kheer ever, and you must try this and let me know how you liked it.
I have been making a lot of baby food recipes past 4 years, I must say now, and there are plenty of recipe collections like this. I would recommend you to have a look at oats recipes for children, spinach recipe, rice based recipe, dalia based recipes, and palak based recipes as well. So do check them, and everything you can find us in the description box, and consider following us and subscribing to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.